Bonjour ki bienvenue. Hello and welcome. So guys, in this video lesson we will learn some new French words and sentences. But before that, why don't we just recall the words and phrases that we had learned in the previous session. So let's get started with the quick recap. In the last session, we learned bon, meaning good, c'est, meaning it is, fantastique, meaning fantastic, absolument, meaning absolutely, ici, which means here, très, meaning very. So how would you say it's very good here? C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. There is a word contradictory to it is ce n'est pas, ce n'est pas, ce n'est pas, which means it's not. So how would you say it isn't here? Ce n'est pas ici. Ce n'est pas ici. How would you say it isn't very good here? Ce n'est pas très bon ici. Ce n'est pas très bon ici. And what about it isn't fantastic? Ce n'est pas fantastique. Ce n'est pas fantastique. Now let's repeat one more time what we learned so far. How would you translate these sentences into French? It is absolutely fantastic here. C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. And what about it's good here? C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. Here is one more sentence. It's very good. C'est très bon. C'est très bon. That's all about this video lesson. Just keep on practicing to memorize it properly. See you soon. A bientôt. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down below for more amazing videos and updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.